Do you want to play Gorilla Tag with mods? Well, then you clicked on the right video. I'm going to show you the best, easiest way for you to play Gorilla Tag with mods. But before we get into the video, I'm just going to let you know that what I'm showing in this video isn't actually Gorilla Tag. It's a game based off of it, but with mods. You're probably going to click off the video right now because you want mods in Gorilla Tag. But trust me, if you don't have a laptop or any sort of PC, this is what you're going to have to do, because it doesn't get easier than this. And with that, let's get straight into the video. For starters, we got this one. It comes with 3 different mod menus, and they all pretty much have the basics, what every other mod menu has. But this one is the one that is pretty much the best one. It has everything any other one would have, but it also has grapple hooks, which is Spider-Man. We also have this cookie clicker. So every time you press it, it goes up just like a regular cookie clicker. You could also press some of this stuff, and it's pretty cool. Right now, it's in the GT2 update, so you can get the GT2 badge and the cupcake. It also has the Valentine's thing. So if you want to impersonate to be Elliot, you could go ahead and get his beanie. It also has the finger painter. It has all this winter stuff. And it also has all the other standard Gorilla Tag cosmetics. At Stump, you have this, and it has a lot of songs that you could play while playing. And it has most of all the maps Gorilla Tag has, including canyons, forests, OG caves, this disgusting map, mountains, and last but not least, OG mines. And to check the game out yourself, the name of it is Project Apex. With this next one, you could get a regular mod menu with all the basic mods and Fortnite emotes. It has all the basic Fortnite emotes. Over at Mirror, it has a green screen and a blue screen. It also has all the basic cosmetics, but with wings and a turkey finger puppet. Also has Talking Ben, and it has trails that follow you when you run. Also has many different sounds. When you click on badges, these are the sounds that you could use. Right now, it is in the Easter update. As you can see over here, you have some eggs. Flying is better, and it's like more accurate than the other game. Platforms, it has lots of different options, but I think the best one is just invisible platforms. If you want to play this game yourself, the name of it is Project Nugget. You probably went ahead and searched these games up right away, and you didn't see them in the App Store. These games aren't done being built yet. These games are early access, which means you can see the game as it's being built. That's why you're going to need App Lab to see those games. I'll have a video linked in the description of a step-by-step tutorial of how to get into App Lab. And that's all for the video. If you need help with anything else in Gorilla Tag, just leave a comment down below. And if you ever want to play with me, be in a video, or get a chance of joining my GTC team, just join my server. That's all, and stay tuned for another video.